what we do, and what we make. Every day I do many things. I do my homework in the morning, and I make my bed before breakfast. My sister doesn't make her bed. She's always in a hurry.
Does she do her homework on time?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Right now, I am doing my homework and my mom is making lunch. We are both busy. My brother is not doing anything. He is making a mess in the living room.
Is he making something creative?
No, just a mess again. Yesterday, we did a lot. I did all my homework and my mom made a chocolate cake. My dad didn't do much because he was tired. He just rested.
Did you make any plans for the weekend?
Yes, we made a plan to go to the park. We have already done so much today. I have done all my chores and my sister has made a smoothie. My parents haven't made dinner yet, but they have done the shopping.
Have you done enough for today?
I think so.
Has she made the phone call she needed?
Not yet. Tomorrow we will do more. I will make a big effort to study for my test. My sister says she won't do anything. She wants to relax. But I know she'll make time for her favorite movie.
Will you make cookies again?
I hope so.
Will you do your part too?
In life, we always do our best and make important choices. We make memories and we do what we can. Sometimes we don't do everything right, but we always make progress.
Like and subscribe to the channel.